Welcome to Stylist Factory. If you're prepping for the Texas Cosmetology Practical Exam, you're in the right place. Are you dreaming of becoming a licensed cosmetologist in Texas, but feel lost in all the TDLR rules and steps? Don't worry, I've got you. In the next few minutes, I'll break down everything you need to know to get your Texas cosmetology license, from training and testing to renewals and continuing education. Let's make sure you start your career the right way, confident, compliant, and ready to grow. In Texas, the beauty industry is highly regulated by the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation, or TDLR. This isn't just paperwork. Your license is your legal permission to touch hair, apply chemicals, and serve paying clients. Without it, you can face fines or even legal action. Getting licensed protects both you and your clients. It proves you've been properly trained in sanitation, safety, and technical skills. And it shows that you meet the state's professional standards for cosmetology services, from hairstyling and chemical treatments to skincare and nail care. Let's start with the basics. What kind of cosmetology licenses does Texas offer? TDLR oversees several types of licenses under the cosmetology umbrella, including operator license, the most common license, allowing you to perform all basic hair, skin, and nail services. Esthetician license focused on skincare, facials, and makeup. Manicurist license specializing in nail care, manicures, and pedicures. Hair weaving or wig specialist license for extensions, weaves, and wig services. Instructor license for teaching cosmetology in approved schools. Salon or mini salon license for business owners and booth renters. Each license has its own education hour requirements and scope of practice. For example, the standard cosmetology operator license requires 1,000 training hours at a TDLR approved school before you can apply to test. Before you ever schedule your exam, you must complete your training hours. Your school must be licensed by TDLR and meet curriculum standards. That means both hands-on practical training and theory classes in sanitation, anatomy, chemistry, electricity, and state laws. Here's a tip. Keep track of your attendance hours carefully. TDLR audits schools, and missing hours can delay your eligibility. If you're transferring from another state, you may be eligible for reciprocity or credit transfer, but it's always best to check directly with TDLR before you move forward. Once your hours are complete, your school will notify TDLR, and you'll be eligible to take your exams through PSI, the official testing vendor. There are 2 exams. Written theory, 100 multiple choice questions covering safety, chemistry, hair design, and state laws. Practical, a live demonstration using your mannequin, testing your ability to perform safe and professional services. You must pass both exams to earn your license. If you fail either part, don't panic, you can retake it. But each retake costs about $74, $87, and failing too many times can delay your progress. That's why practicing under exam-like conditions is essential. At Stylist Factory, our online courses and mock exams walk you through the same test procedures TDLR examiners use. You'll learn exactly what to say, do, and set up to pass the Texas way the first time. After passing both exams, PSI will send your results to TDLR. You'll then pay your licensing fee and receive your cosmetology operator license in the mail, usually within 2 to 3 weeks. You're now legally authorized to perform cosmetology services in the state of Texas. But remember, your license isn't permanent. Every 2 years, you must renew your license with TDLR. To renew, you'll need to complete 4 hours of continuing education, CE, through a TDLR approved provider. 1 hour must cover sanitation and safety. 3 hours can focus on professional topics like laws, ethics, or technique updates. Pay your renewal fee, usually $50. Submit your renewal online through the TDLR portal before your license expires. If your license lapses, you'll have to pay late fees or even reapply. So set a reminder. What happens if you work without a license or let it expire? TDLR can fine you up to $5,000 per violation. They also inspect salons for sanitation, posting requirements, and valid licenses. Always display your license where clients can see it and keep your area clean, disinfected, and organized. Remember, being professional isn't just about styling, it's about compliance, safety, and care. So, to recap, choose your license type, complete your TDLR approved hours, pass both written and practical exams, renew every 2 years with continuing education, and most importantly, stay compliant and professional. If you're serious about passing your Texas cosmetology exams and building a real career in beauty, start with Stylist Factory. Join my online course for full mock exams, coaching, and study guides at stylistfactoryas.me. Don't waste $300 on retakes past the Texas way the first time. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step cosmetology tutorials.